Hey there, today we're going to look at another awesome keyboard shortcut you can use to up your Premiere Pro game. Hey there, welcome to today's video. We're going to look at a couple of cool keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro to help you organize your tracks in your timeline. Now, if learning more about Premiere Pro is something you're interested in, then you might want to click the link in the description below to find out more about our Adobe Video Creators Training and Support Package. Enough about that though, let's just get on with it. Okay, so here we are on day 3. And today's keyboard shortcut is going to be all about helping us make our tracks bigger and smaller in the timeline. So we've got a couple of them. The first one is holding down the Command key or the Control key on a PC and using the equals and minus keys when the timeline's selected. And this will allow us to make the video tracks taller or smaller. So it's changing the track height for the video section. So that's Command or Control, equals and minus keys. If we hold down the Option key or the Alt key on a PC and use the same keys, so the equals and minus keys, we can change the height of all of the audio tracks simultaneously. This one's very useful when we want to get in and see our audio waveforms in more detail. And also, once you open up the height of the audio tracks, you'll have access to the clip gain control here. Wow, so there you have it. Have fun experimenting with making your tracks thicker and thinner. And remember to like and subscribe to get more content creation related tutorials. Also, feel free to click on the link in the description below to find out more about our Adobe Video Creators Training and Support Package. So that's it for now. I will see you on the next one.